Hi guys, I'm here to do a quick tutorial on how to make coconut flour soft tortillas. Very simple and a very short ingredient list. It's 2 tables of psyllium husk, which you can find at Mom's Organic Market or maybe online. I tried to use eggs, but it doesn't work, so you need to stick to the psyllium husk. I also made a flax egg with 1 tablespoon of ground flax and 2 tablespoons of water that you have to let sit for a few minutes. A half a cup of coconut flour, 2/3 a cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and let's see, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a little salt if you wanted. So you mix all those things together. I'll write the ingredients, I'll write the actual steps out in a little while and publish it, but just wanted to give you a demonstration. I'm making my last one, so I've cut the dough in 4 pieces. Now I'm putting the dough, the last ball here, on a piece of wax paper, or you can also use parchment paper. Put another, press it down with your hands. It's soft, it should not be sticky at all. Press it down with your hands and then roll it out, just like that. Get it as thin as you can so that you'd be able to pick it up. Sometimes the wax paper gets a little wet underneath, so I keep straightening it out. Just like this. Kind of fun because you only make 4, so it doesn't take very long. You can double the recipe and make more if you want. So I'm just rolling this out so it's a nice thin tortilla. You can stuff it with lots of vegetables. Okay, so that's about as wide as I'm going to get. I don't know if you can see that. And now I'm going to take the top of my pot and use it as a cookie cutter, sort of. I'm going to press it down. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then lift it up, and then you're going to peel away the excess from around the side. Pretty easy to do. The dough is a little bit elastic. Should be. Just be careful not to rip it. Okay, I've peeled away the excess, and I'm going to heat up a non-stick pot. You can use oil or not. If it's a good pot, you really don't even need any oil. Put it on medium, let it heat up a little bit. You can either place this upside down with the heat off, or I think just as easy to lift up your little tortilla, put it in your pan, just like that. You're going to heat it for maybe 2 minutes on each side, and there you have it. Here's a couple of finished ones. So they're thin, and you can just use them for your tortillas. Okay? Have fun. Happy cooking, baking maybe.